Hey there, and welcome to MCC. First off, congratulations on your enrollment. We're so excited to have you here. We know starting something new can feel a little overwhelming, so we've put together this quick and easy guide to help you navigate Populi, our online learning platform. By the end of this video, you'll be cruising through your courses like a pro. And hey, if you ever need a little extra help, our wonderful administrative assistant Ellen is just an email away at earsono@mccpei.com. All right, let's dive in. When you log into Populi, the first thing you'll want to do is click on My Courses at the top. That's where you'll see all the courses you're enrolled in. Click on a course name, and voila, you're in the dashboard. Here's what you'll find on this page. Notifications shows your upcoming assignments, a public bulletin board where instructors and other students can share important announcements and updates, a navigation menu on the left. This is your roadmap to everything in the course. To get started, click on Lessons. Your Lessons page is where the magic happens. Each lesson is listed by week with start and end dates clearly displayed. There's also a how-to lesson at the top where you can find this video anytime you need a refresher. Click on a lesson, and on the right, you'll see a list of everything you need to complete for the week. These steps unlock one at a time, so you can be sure you're working through them in order. Click on an item to open it. Our typical lessons could have things like a video from your instructor, required reading, which might be textbook pages or an embedded PDF you can read inside Populi, and discussion posts and assignments, which I'll explain in a moment. When you click on the items, you'll notice all the information you need on the main section of the page. There are two main ways you'll submit work in Populi: class discussions and assignments. For class discussions, think of this as your virtual classroom conversation. Even though this is an online class, building relationships with your classmates is still a super valuable part of your learning. Your instructor will post a prompt, and you'll share your thoughts with your classmates. We'll begin again from inside the lessons page. We've selected class discussion on the right, and we've reviewed our instructions. To participate, click on class discussion beneath the instructions. This brings you to the discussion forum. Be sure to double check the instructions, and then when you're ready, type your response in this text box and hit Add Comment. We recommend writing your post in a Word document first, then copy and pasting it into this box. That way you can save copies of all your work on your own computer. If you navigate away from this page before clicking Add Comment, it will disappear from the box, so that's why it's a great idea to save it in your own files. This is when it goes from a post to a discussion. Click on Reply under Other Students' Posts, type your response, and then click Reply again. This is a great way to stay engaged, share ideas, and build connections, even in an online setting. Now let's talk about written assignments. We'll head back to the Lessons page, go back into our lesson, select Assignment on the right. Here you can see all your instructions generate again in the main section of the page. To submit your homework, click on Assignment underneath your instructions. Here you'll see the assignment details in a submission box. Before you upload anything, make sure you're using the correct submission area. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a comment box. A common mistake is uploading assignments here, but this is a place where your instructor may leave you comments. They don't check it for homework. If you upload your assignment here, it may not be seen and it can result in a 0 for all your hard work. So be sure to ignore the box on the right when you're submitting your homework and go to the correct submission box, this big box in the middle, and upload your work in the correct location. To submit your file, click on this big gray box, find your file on your computer, and click Open. Once uploaded, you'll see a confirmation message and your file will appear under Submissions. Need to double check your work? You can download it from here. Uploaded the wrong file? No worries, it happens to everyone. You can delete it and re-upload. Before you submit your homework, remember that your assignment should reflect your own work and understanding. AI tools can be helpful for brainstorming or clarifying instructions, but using them to write your homework can lead to academic integrity issues and poor learning outcomes. Your instructors want to hear your voice and see your progress. Once your assignment is graded, head back to this submission page and any feedback from your instructor will be waiting for you beneath the comment box. If you're looking for something your instructor uploaded but can't remember where it is, click on this Files button on the left navigation menu. Here you'll find everything uploaded for this course. There's also a second File option here at the top in this black bar. Here you'll find quick access to your Populi inbox, as well as additional helpful files. When you're done in this Files section, click on Home at the top to return to your main dashboard. If you need to reach someone at MCC, just click Directory here in the blue bar. Here you can look up any MCC staff or faculty member. Click on their name, and you can send them an email or post on their public bulletin board. If you need technical help, please reach out to Ellen Arsenault. If you need extra help arranging your financials, please reach out to Penny Ching. Speaking of financials, click on My Profile in the top blue bar, and then select Financial, and you'll see your payment history, your total balance, and a handy Make a Payment button for online tuition payments. And that's a wrap on Populi. We know learning a new system can feel a bit daunting, but trust us, after a lesson or two, you'll be navigating it with ease. And remember, we're always here if you need a hand. Enjoy your studies, have fun learning, and welcome to MCC.